Azande's mom arrived in hospital demanding answers. Xibo had to explain, and now she says that all Zoleka did was to come and destroy the Nguganas because now she tried to kill her son. Zoleka says she'll take any bullet for Kawe, but Kawe is worried that it can't stay hidden forever, and if Azande wakes up, it's going to be attempted murder. Azande woke up and told his mom that it was Kawe who did this. And then the Mamandlas are selfish. They had to call Zaitu and ask her to testify against the Zondos, knowing exactly that she works for them. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Ufikile uDabs ke esibhedlela and is demanding answers with what happened to my son. The doctor came and disturbed them and explained the isimo Azande, saying that he came in with severe trauma, he almost drowned, he drowned, and that at least his vital organs are not they're not affected. Now uDabs want to know who tried to kill my son. Ugqibo had to ask because uDabs is insisting that he didn't just fall. Ugqibo said that he fell to the pool, he fell from the balcony into the pool. It was an accident at the crash, he didn't fall, who pushed him? And then Ugqibo started explaining they had an argument, Siolise Uzoleka, and she didn't mean to hurt him. She would never hurt him, but then things got out of control. Obviously, uDabs lost it. She wanted to throw hands and said that ever since Zoleka arrived, all she does is she wants to destroy the Nguganas one by one, because ever since afika man kunezinto. First it was indaba zokuthi umama kaBosigqibo kwenzakaleni kuyena. She wants to take over, took position that was supposed to be Azande's. Like it's just a confusion in the family. Uzoleka tries to explain Azande was not innocent in all this, but uDabs was like, now she wants to call the police. Let the law take its course. There's no way that I'm letting this go. Ugqibo had to take the phone and said, can you please resolve this as a family? Because uDabs now wanted uNonceba to get involved and solve this, because she must help uDabs wakhe. Usuelisa tried to kill my son, ubefuna ukumbulala, like Usuelisa did it intentionally, so she must pay for this. I'm Tulisa ke comforted her uNonceba. They go to see Azande. Now Uzoleka is worried about Uqhawe. Uqhawe is cooped up in her room. Guilt is eating her up. Wants to know how she's feeling, but Uqhawe says she's in a bad dream that she can't wake up from, and says that Uzoleka didn't have to lie for her because this can't stay hidden forever. But Uzoleka says that she'll take any bullet for her. She's got her whole life ahead of her. And because this thing is serious, if Azande dies, it's a culpable homicide. If she survives, it's attempted murder. So so it's better her go to prison than Uqhawe. She will not stand that. But Uqhawe is worried. What about Utat Lazarus? What about Vumile? Now you've got your whole life at me and right. I've lived my life, but when you've got your whole life ahead of you, there's no way that I'm letting you rot in jail for this. Uqhawe is feeling bad now because she was so rude to Uzoleka. Now he's worried because what if Azande wakes up and remembers that I did this? Kanti vele she's right. Azande is going to wake up. Umawake is with him, busy begging, praying, begging her ancestors, please wake my son up. Unganishiyi Azande, please don't leave me. Usiyelisa uzobhayitalela le nto. The next thing Azande is moving his fingers. Asukume ke, Azande, please wake up, come back to me. Avuke Azande. All he could say, because Mama Kata, please talk to me, Azande, Tetanam. All Azande could say was, Kawe. Mama knew exactly what it means, because why is he mentioning Kawe? So they lied and said Uzoleka kanti kahle uQhawe. Knowing Dabs from here, she's going to Zoleka's house to talk to Uqhawe. Uqhawe is going to lose it because they thought they were going to keep this thing under wraps and let Zoleka take the fall. Uhlati didn't hold back, went to see Sydney to try to talk to him. How can you allow this? How can you want to get parole for your son, knowing exactly that he killed my son? Unjani, I'm so disappointed in you, Sydney. I thought we could have a relationship, but ungambe mover. Sydney was like, no, it's not my fault. I did not agree to this, but Unkosikazi Wamuhlengiwe wants to go ahead with it because she cannot stand unyana wakhe to be beaten up in prison. Ajazi Uthumeka was right about you. Sydney goes home and tries to make Hlengiwe see things differently. We still have our son. Yes, Ushayi umabogobogo, but he's still alive. But what about Umntwana kaMabandla? They lost their son, so this can't be fair to them. That's why you are rushing this whole thing. If we had waited a bit, maybe later on, Sisam Keeper, then it would make sense. But now, This is just so insensitive. But Hlengiwe says she cannot just wait. What if Ulwandle does not survive? What if they end up killing him? And then Nceba cannot come and help, or Ohlati, the Mabandlas, with their hearing saying that she's delegating to someone else because of the female emergency. Now the Mabandlas are busy about Kokasa, thinking of how they're going to handle this whole thing. But to Papa Pezulu, she's busy going on about Ulwandle killed her son. He cannot get to come back and be free. Unsigi, for the first time, Unsigi speaks some sense, saying that you need to be careful by not you want revenge, because you won't get sympathy. And so we need to be strategic about this whole thing. Just talk about our loss, how we lost ilosi yethu likamva, not dwell much on Ulwandle. And then suggest that Uzethu can come and testify about experience because she was in the car. That can help them. How can they ask this of Zethu Mara? Tulan has been saying, it's going to be tricky because she works for the Zendos. But still, as selfish as they are, the Mabandla still went ahead, phoned Zethu to come to a meeting, and they asked her of the impossible to go and testify against Ulwandle. Ku parole board, but we know you work for the Zondos. But why did you phone her to come and ask her of this impossible thing? I mean, Uzet is just got a job as on the technologies. They want to take that away from her. As Ohlalikas alambe because ufuna basize. Even Uhlati, it goes like you, they survive a accident. So it'd be nice to hear Virginia how this affected you. You were the only one that can help us get justice for Lukamba. How can they place this in her hands? Only this time she apologizes to Zethu, saying I was harsh towards you, I didn't treat you well, but obviously what happened between you and I doesn't matter anymore. Ubalekile manje is my son. She's so selfish. She didn't apologize this whole time. She's only apologizing now, seeing that she was wrong because they want Zethu's help. Ngapha uZethu nawe ubhizi ulandelana noXolani, phoned him and asked him to come and see her so they can talk. uZethu then says, well, sometimes people meet and have a connection, but then doesn't mean they have to pursue it. We can be friends. We can be good friends. uXolani naye friends, and I think that can work. Then they shake on it. But we all know they're just going to be friends for a little while and then end up kissing or something because they're definitely going to date. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.